on a hippie trailhead full of zombies. I met a strange lady, she made me nervous. She took me in and gave me breakfast. She said, do you come from a land down under? Women go and men thunder. Can't you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Keep it up. I didn't just scare you, I'm very your friend will help you. Buying bread from a man in Brussels. He was 6'4", full of muscle. I said, do you speak my language? He just smiled and gave me some Vegemite schnitzel. He said, I come from a land down under. Beers flow and men thunder. Can you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover, Lying in a den in Bombay, slack job and not much to say. I said to the man, are you trying to tempt me? Because I come from the land of plenty. And he said, I come from a land down under. Where women go and men plunder. Can you hear that thunder? You better run, you better take cover. Take cover right now. Living